Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to change Siri settings on your Apple Watch SE. Let's get started. The first thing that we would need to do that's to go to settings. For that, click on Digital Crown and go to settings. Then scroll down until you will see Siri tab, which looks like this. Then click on it and we are here. First thing that we can do, that's change what will Siri listen for. Usually she reacts for Siri or Hey Siri. We can also change it by clicking on Hey Siri or even turn this feature off, and we will be able to call for Siri only by holding this digital crown. Now I will leave it on Siri or Hey Siri and go back. The second thing that we can change right here is raise to speak. This means that Siri will enable every time when you will hold your watch near your face. Now, next thing is press digital crown. If we will hold the digital crown, Siri will appear. Also, we can right here check on the Siri history and change the language, for example to Chinese or whichever you would like. And also, we can switch the Siri accents. You can see here American, Australian, British, Indian, Irish, and a lot of more. And let's go back and check a look. Also, right here we can control the Siri responses, which you can see right here. For example, you can enable or disable spoken responses, you can always show Siri captions, always show speech, or change the volume of Siri responses. Let's go back and move on. Next thing that we can see right here is automatically send messages. That means if you will ask Siri to send a message to your contact, she will send it without confirmation. Now we can also select the apps that we would like to use with Siri, for example, calculator, calendar, or contacts. Now, the last thing that we can see right here is Siri suggestions. That means if you will ask Siri for some restaurant which you would like to visit, she will show you results on maps. And that's it for today. Now you know how to manage the Siri settings. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.